Hi, second graders. Today we're going to be reading Recycling, the first step. As I read today, I want you to be listening for the main idea, topic, and details to support that main idea. Remember, the topic is what it's mostly about in one or two words. The main idea is what the author is trying to teach you, and the details are facts that you've learned that support the author trying to teach you that. All right, recycling, the first step. Do you or does your family recycle? Perhaps you may know if there's a recycling bin hidden somewhere in your house or apartment. Recycling is remaking something into the same or new product. The first step in the recycling process starts within homes and businesses across the country. There are a wide variety of things which can be recycled. Plastics, paper, glass, cans, and even most metals can be recycled. The things you can recycle may be different according to where you live and what your local recycling plant accepts. People who have recycling bins at their homes can put things in them. A truck may pick up the bin on the same day as the garbage is picked up. In some places, people must drop off things to be recycled at a recycling plant. Procedures to recycle vary according to where you live. People everywhere should know the arrival schedule of when their recycling truck is. If not, they can use the internet or simply make phone calls to find out. Anyone can consider recycling. They can think about the first step of the recycling process. Okay, so let's look over here. The recycling truck shows the recycling loop. The arrow stands for the 3 steps of the process. The first step is when it collects materials. The second step is remaking into new materials. And the third step is buying things made of recycled material. Okay, if we read the caption up here too, it says recycling helps the environment by saving Earth's natural resources. It also saves money and uses less energy. Recycling keeps landfills from becoming full. Okay, now that we are done reading, you are going to go on to Seesaw. On Seesaw, you will see the same sheet that I filled out with you guys the last few days. You will be responsible for coming up with the topic, main idea, and 2 details to describe it. Let us know if you have any questions.